Shubor nakaslem jong Nongshong Hima.
Katba katanat Shillong Municipal Board ha ka arpulai trik unaitung arhaja apusan kadang Thmu ban penlong da ka Khyndai Nusib ya ki Nongshong de Madan knang bakanum don kanu ka jingya kini ya ki jakashong hakat ka ba ki yo ya ki number baki lajet bakin habban shong bet ha ki tu ki jaka ki bala depshna da ka municipal penban ha kani ka jing penya da ka SMB ki Nongshong de Madan ki la Khluit pat bitar ya ka jing de jongki namar baki shu Pynkhalai Nusib Bat ong ha ka jing bitar bakim dei ki Nongkhalai ba habban shu Pynkhalai ya ki Dukan ki Nongshong de Madan ki badan hapo ka kenhun bat hapo ka jing yalam ka kong Angela rangat bat ka kong biolin perto kilami nakate ka jaka bat penpau ya ka jing persya bat om sngo ya hap ya ka ne ka rukom le ka municipal
Kani kami Khluit ni ni ki Khluit mo mi de ki Nongshong yo. Khluit ai ka ba pinga ni man Nongshong Khluit. Yeah. Outside of the law? No. You are going outside of the law. You are going outside of the law. There is no such thing. We have not had a PTVC meeting. We are all PTVC members. We have not agreed on such a move. You please give me the notification. Give me the notification in my hand. Give me the notification. Nongshong PTVC. No. You give it in writing. You give it in writing that the PTVC has agreed to the system. You give it in writing. Give it to me in writing. We are PTVC members. You have to for me again. PTVC meeting after the 23rd. There has not been a PTVC meeting after the 23rd. So who made this decision?
It is the decision of the Honorable High Court.
The High Court did not. The High Court decided to have a lottery system.
Lottery system is
The High Court said. The High Court has said, you please finalize the list. Has the list been finalized?
Yes, we have given something.
The list has not been finalized.
Only done.
You are in contravention of the High Court order. You are contravening the High Court order, and that is a fact.
Ngantip pa berkat berpisah kelam.
This is Kita ki nong di Madan ki bawan lam ya kene ka an kene ka jala. Wat nom ya klet ya kata. Kita ki nong di Madan ki ba ya thik kat kung ka an. Baka don kata ka TVC ro kade na ka jing men jor chang ki nong di Madan. No, you listen first. Till now there is a PTVC as per the law because the hawkers have cooperated. It is because of us that a survey could happen on the ground. If it is left to you, similar incompetency and similar way of functioning, non-transparent, autocratic would have happened.
We want to make it transparent.
You are not.
Doing law.
You are not.
You may say
You are not.
No.
You make it transparent
No,
by
please
ensuring
listen to me
that
also.
every decision
Please.
as per the 2014 law has to come out of a PTVC.
Don't shout.
We have to shout when you don't listen to us in a meeting.
It's okay, carry on more, carry on. Allow us to
We are only left to shouting because all the democratic processes, you have stampeded them.
I'm very serious, very sorry. Very sorry.
Kalis suka empat pihak. Kalis suka empat pihak. Kata menjur.
Kamu siapa yang kau